Alright, so here's another thing I'm just kind of messing around with the wiring. I'm trying to figure out how to get the high beams to turn on without the headlights being on. So right now, what I did on this driver's side, I switched the high beams and low beams around. So the high beam is the low beam is the high beam. And the headlights are turned on right now, but if I turn on the high beams, probably go the other way. There we go. On this one here, it's both of them, low beam and high beam, when you turn on the high beams. If you turn the high beams off, the low beam turns off. So that's the high beams turned on. I turned the high beams off. That side turned off completely, besides the daytime running lights. But this light still stays on. So I'm trying to figure that out on why my flash to pass without the headlights being on will not work. So when the headlights off, if I turn the high beams on, using the high beam stock, flashing somebody to, like, let's have them go first, nothing happens. So I'm trying to figure out why it won't turn on when I turn the high beams on. Now if I had the headlights turned on, the high beams work just fine, but with the headlights off, the high beam does not turn on at all.